Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 19, Baby Camel and Mother. A mother and a baby camel were lying around, and suddenly the baby camel asked, "Mother, may I ask you some questions?" The mother said, "Sure. Why, son, is there something bothering you?" Baby said, "Why do camels have humps?" The mother said, "Well, son, we are desert animals. We need the humps to store water, and we are known to survive without water." Baby said, "Okay, then why are our legs long and our feet rounded?" The mother said, "Son, obviously they are meant for walking in the desert. You know, with these legs, I can move around the desert better than anyone does." Baby said, "Okay, then why are our eyelashes long? Sometimes it bothers my sight." Mother with pride said, "My son, those long thick eyelashes are your protective cover. They help to protect your eyes from the desert sand and wind." Baby, after thinking, said, "I see. So the hump is to store water when we are in the desert. The legs are for walking through the desert, and these eyelashes protect my eyes from the desert. Then what in God's name are we doing here in the zoo?" Moral: skills, knowledge, abilities, and experiences are only useful if you are at the right place. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.